Get into the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Colorado, the midsize pickup that makes your off-road adventures fun, safe, and comfortable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.